right on that, John.
Crikey.
Logs split, that's all. You okay on this side?
Gonna catch that.
Watch for wheel, it's
alright. Yeah, the lock on a bit.
Is it easy to push it on? Or pulled it on the other way? Or don't you want to risk axle again?
You need to get out, don't you? There, not push it back. Even there, nearly through.
Yeah, that might be an idea. He's supposed to tell you not this way. What's the fault with the axle?
Then this will be up.
You can only go back a bit further anyway.
Say hello for the camera, Mr. Carr.
Smile. Camera. Watch for that picture. Yeah, okay. I've only one thing to say for the camera, and that is bloody tractors.
Oh, awesome.
Grumpy old men. I'm a fully paid up member of the club.
Right there.
Yes. We'll just give it another couple of feet.
What was that last comment, Robert?
Grumpy old man. Still there. Still there.
We'll shift everything else.
Better than Jono's, isn't it?
Yeah, it's better than Jono's.
Miles
Yeah,
better.
much better.
The other thing that I've noticed that's different is the governor.
I thought that.
The governor.
Yeah, well, the pipe connections are different on this to yours, and also the governor itself is different.
Gear
It's a
six.
Sims pump.
This is different.
They took put your works pumps.
Stick that.
It's a home.
Yeah, mine's square, that one's random.
Yeah.
That will come in.
That's what we did. That's why they finished with it. Well, they didn't finish with it. 2 plungers had jammed, so it was only getting diesel. And 1 and 3.
This tomorrow.